Hello, we are going to be solving the first question of Project Euler. So this is the part which we're going to have solved. Find the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5 below 1,000. So this is my approach. So we're going to make a list which will be all the numbers, and then the answer will be all the numbers in the data list added together. So for or I in range of 999. The reason I'm doing 9099 but not 1,000 and is it says below 1,000, but other people get it wrong, so you can get a more precise answer here. If I divided by 3 equals to I divide by 3, which basically just gets the same answer but just without decimals on the end, which basically just restores to the old division maths from Python 2. Yeah. So we have I divide by 5. No division. Okay. Perfect. Or I divide by 5, so, and then it will do data dot append. We're going to add something to the list, which will be the I. Then we can go here for I2 and range of 0 and the length of data, because here it has all the generated answers, and we have to do answer add equals data in I2. Basically takes so it iterates through all of the numbers, adds them together. So the iteration number we're using is I2. Then we can now we can print out answer. So do that, we get our answer. If you think I'm incorrect about the 9, it should be 999 instead of 1,000. Change the value to 1,000 and you get the answer, which other mistaken, well, possibly mistaken YouTubers have made. Goodbye.